first thing to do is remove all this stuff from the shower. So that's done. What we're going to use to clean the shower is this mixture of vinegar and dish soap. To make a cleaning solution to clean your shower, put Dawn in a spray bottle. Heat an equal amount of white vinegar in the microwave for 1 minute. After that, add warm vinegar to the spray bottle and your cleaning mixture is ready. So the first thing we're going to do is just spray it all down. I don't think I've actually ever done this before. Why does my hand hurt? How out of shape am I? I'm going to use a rag to scrub it in little circles because apparently that's the way it's done. I look like I'm in pajamas. For the final step of this process, we're going to take this cup and fill it with water and pour the water down the sides of the shower. After that, I think we're done. This is weirdly calming. I still don't feel like you're getting the full experience with that, so let's try a new angle. I guess that's it for that.